it's 70 calories and there's no protein in this. So you're literally like, it's a healthy, you know, there's nutrients in here, but for 70 calories, you have to stay within a certain calorie amount. It's just going to be difficult to be able to hit your protein and then stay within calories. So I did not do a good job last week of staying, of even like, I think on a couple days I hit like 60, 70, but like 60, 70 calorie or 60, 70 grams of protein. But you guys, it wasn't a good week. So this week has kind of been the same, to be honest. So I wanted to meal prep this weekend, but then I had a bunch of family in town because of the, why is it 70 calories? Yeah. So for 2 tablespoons, it's 70 calories. So you could do 1 tablespoon, but then it's just like a 1 plop, you know what I mean? So then they're probably like, okay, you know, to get a decent amount, that's 2 tablespoons, 70 calories. But yeah, it's I think it's because it's low in carb, low in protein. There's 6 grams of total fat, so maybe it's more fat based, more fat focused, I guess. Yeah, these are these are parsley flakes. But do I have the cilantro anymore? There's a couple. Oh yeah, I had the cilantro leaves. I'm actually gonna put some in here too. Actually, thanks for reminding me. So yeah, I just kind of literally just go through my drawer, put whatever. Like I just like try to make it, you know, as sauteed up as possible. And some cumin. I always make sure to put some cumin. But what's excellent about this is that you're supposed to technically have at least 30 different types of vegetables in your diet every day. So if you were to have like one little soup, or what's this? I can't really put this light. I have my light in the way here. Oh, oregano. So I got my oregano. Oregano is so good to, you know, to keep away the parasites and all that. You don't want to do too much because it will start to, it's just a very potent smell. Hello, Patrick. Hello. I recently bought Hearts of Palm, but I'm scared to try it. I think you'll like it. You just gotta like, you know, saute them up. Maybe look up some recipes on YouTube. And this is rosemary. Rosemary is so good. So good. So this is gonna be tasty. It's gonna be satiating. Minced garlic, you cannot go wrong with like turning a dish up with minced garlic. That's been saving me all week as well. It's only 10. See, now this is cool. For one teaspoon, so 5 grams is 10 calories. So that's like, you know, so if I want to actually technically, like I'm on the phone with you guys. I'm with you guys. So I'm kind of like, you know, usually I just go for it, but then I'm technically supposed to put this on here. So what I'll do, so if you really want to do it the right way, what I would do is, actually, no, I can just do this. So I'm just going to put this right on the scale. So make sure I only have 5 grams. So 5 grams of the minced garlic. Okay. And what's cool is that, see now, this is 11 grams, just that little bit that I just showed you. So this would technically be 20 calories in, which I'm okay with. But that little amount, like, are you kidding? So how many times do we like scoop things and it just adds up? Cumin in porridge. Patrick, what kind of grain? Oatmeal? I'm just literally, I'm not even like, I'm just making the most basic sauteed up garbanzo beans, chickpeas, and then I'm gonna have it with some spinach, some sauteed spinach, and like call it a day. Cause I'm on this very, very strict meal plan, and it's been working. I lost 2.5 pounds. This is what's weird about the journey. This is what's been weird about the journey. I feel like I've eaten a lot, even though I'm only eating 1,300 calories on the days that I don't work out. And then because I had family in town and my schedule is just kind of different the last couple of weeks, I haven't been able to really hit the gym like I usually do. So, but I've been maintaining. The guy said, look, or the trainer said, look, make sure on the days you don't work out, stay within 1,300 calories. So I've been able to do that. And I'm surprised with how easy it has been. But I think it's because I did that big shopping day, right? And I just kept everything out. And I'm just like, okay, I don't want to overthink it. I don't want to do too much. I don't want to do too much with, being like, okay, well, what am I going to make and all that? Like, I just already had an idea. Okay, so for a lot of protein, I'm going to have black beans, garbanzo beans. What are they called? These other kind of white beans. I forgot what they're called. That I don't usually eat them, but they actually taste really good. I'm actually going to just use the same skillet. And let me put this back. But I've been eating a lot, and then I lost 2.5 pounds, and I still feel really strong. I don't feel weak. Last week, I did feel a little tired, and I think it's because I snack a lot. Like I eliminated the snacking, and I just was like, oh my gosh, I don't think I realized how much I relied on snacking to like keep me energized throughout the day, because I won't have like coffee and stuff like that throughout the day. So let's see, carbs and don't know how to say the rest of the word. Polysaccharide helps you bulk up and build muscle. Okay, yeah. That's another thing. Speaking of carbs, my carb intake, that's what I think it was. I should have incorporated more quinoa, more black rice, more sweet potatoes. So I did do that over the weekend. Oh, and guys, really quick, I was able to, let me just do some more because I'm gonna put the, I'm telling you, this has been saving me. This is the only reason why I'm able to stay within my calories and then not go over, but still be able to eat what the stuff that I like just my little go-to quick meals. But if I didn't have that, I would probably be eating like 700 calories of oil still. Oh, I don't have that much left. Okay, so I'm just gonna literally take some spinach. Okay, I don't have that much left, but I'll just make it do what it do. And then I already have like the seasonings kind of still in the pan from the garbanzo beans. So I'm just gonna kind of use the residue there. I don't think I'm gonna put any more garlic. Super greens. Sweet potato has a lot of glucose. Glucose is good. Yeah, so I posted it. I didn't post it on here. You guys. Okay, so, it's on there, but let me show you guys. I had made this sweet potato brownie. So bomb. I mean, the fun, it's been fun to discover new things where you're like, okay, I have to stay within a certain amount, but then I don't want to feel like I'm suffering, but then I want to still have something sweet, but then I got to make sure I hit some protein. Oh, I've also been hitting my fiber. Really well. And what's cool about the app is like, I never really think about fiber, but I actually came across something and it made a lot of sense to me. They said that, what you want to do is really focus on your fiber intake for the day. And then like your fiber, then protein, then fats, and then carbs. But again, it depends on what your goals are. So that order might be different depending on like if you're really bodybuilding and stuff like that. So I did not do a good job of incorporating carbs. Like some oatmeal in there, some rice. I just didn't do that because I was trying to focus on the protein, and then 1,300 calories is just too tiny. So I was like, okay, I'm not going to overwhelm myself. I'm just going to focus on the protein. And if I don't hit it, I don't hit it. Like, because I have more fat to lose based on that, the chart that I showed you guys, than the muscle that I have. So I have to maintain my muscle. I have to maintain my muscle and then gain 3 pounds of muscle, but then I have to lose 9 pounds of fat. So it's a 6-pound loss altogether. So I'm a little concerned that I might be losing a little bit of muscle from last week. So I don't want to overwhelm myself because I did start to be like, so I'm just going to try better this week. But let me show you guys something that I made. So literally I turned off the burner because I want to show you guys something really quickly. So this is what I made. This like really helped me get through. Like little treats like this has been helping me get through. It doesn't look the best, but so this, it was a brownie, and then I just had it with one tiny scoop of vanilla ice cream. This is, by the way, this is my Instagram. If anyone wants to follow, tap in with my Instagram. It's Ciana Singh. But yeah, so I made this and it was so bomb. It was just literally sweet potato, cacao powder, honey, some stevia, vanilla extract. There was one more thing in it. And I believe cashew butter or almond butter. And that was it. Oh, and I think I put some chickpeas in there to bake it and like hold it together. And it just it came out really tasty. Let's see. To maintain strength, do strength training. Yeah, so I got it. Like I lacked on that last week a lot. And again, this is what I think is real about my journey, is that I feel like people go online and they'll just show all the beautiful meal prep, right? They'll just show the meal prep. It's in all the perfect Tupperware and it's all colorful and perfectly placed in there. And they're just like, you know, and this is, life happens. Like, it's not easy, you know, it's not easy. So this week, Friday, I might have to just like work from like 6 a.m. to 12 and then take 12 for the rest of the day and then just meal prep for the whole week after, because like doing all the you know, measuring and all that, and then you got to measure it, and then no I know there's a lot there's so many moving factors to this. That's why. So okay, measuring, you have to take time to do that. Then you have to take time to put it into the app. Then when you put it into the app, you have to make sure that you're putting it in correctly. You have to make sure you're getting the correct brand. You have to make sure that you're getting, you're measuring it with grams or milliliters, or you know what measurement it is. It's just like there's so many moving parts to this. And so maybe, I don't know, we'll see. Again, I'm going to do it for 90 days. So I think after I do this for 90 days, I'll have a better flow each week. Like there'll be a